Hello YouTubes! Welcome back, Haunt fam. It's been a minute. I got stuff that's been stacking up for months. I need to unbox. So I thought, what a better time than now to do us a big old Christmas unboxing. Let's jump in. Okay, YouTubes, let's hop into this. Man, I got stuff been stacking up for months, man. So we got a lot to get through. Thank you, Mr. Gnome. Don't need him anymore. Let's start off with from Donna Kastner. So this is Paws, Poles, and Pumpkins on Etsy. I will list all these links below, so you guys see anything you like, check them out down there. Go find them yourself. I'll type in all this words so you don't have to spell anything. So Donna has a really cool shop. She went ahead and ran with the gnomepunch movement. Oh, here it is. You guys check this out, man. This is so great. Oh my god, this is too funny. Oh, I just love this. Is this one mine or for Savage? Okay, so this one's mine. I've already got Savage hers. Check it out. Come on now. Bam! Operation Gnomepunch. Look at it. How freaking cool is that? Oh my god. I just love that so much, man. Donna totally crushed me with these shirts. They were freaking awesome, man. Of course, how easy to be a part of Operation Gnomepunch. You just pound sign yourself a gnome, and then pound sign, babe. Pow! Pow! I freaking hate gnomes, little glitter bearded bastards. But thank you, Donna. That's awesome. I got one for Savage, and now I got one for myself. So when we're out in the stores doing our shopping videos, we can like twin it, like just punch freaking gnomes, man. All right. Thank you, Donna. I will link Donna's Etsy store below. So we've got Scream 31 Studios right here. So this is from Victor Valentine. Vic's been making some cool stuff lately. I don't have my black tree up this year. I've been busy. I had a bunch of crap going on, so I didn't even put a tree up this year, but I want to get some stuff for next year. And, oh, drop this out of Donna's. I'll save this. Read that later. Thank you, Donna. And again, Donna even does mugs. So if you want to use some Operation Gnomepunch, you can get it in a mug. And see it every morning. I'm going to punch them little bearded bastards. Whew, okay. Alright, Scream 31. Victor. We're good. And again, I will put the link for this also below. I'll save this for off camera. Let's get to the goods. Of course, classic black. Oh, you didn't have to do that, Vic. Look how freaking cool, man. So Vic sent an extra one of his faces. How awesome is that little guy, man? Latex face. You painted up. What a great meaty face. I mean, these look great in a jar with some fog juice. Put them on a counter when the kids come in for Halloween. How freaking awesome is that, man? That's awesome, Vic. Thank you for the extra, sir. Much, much appreciated. Let me just like nail it to the wall in here somewhere on somebody's face. And then, of course, when I saw this, I knew I had to have it. It's like a little meat star with a little eyelid. It's like just so nasty. I just want to put that on a tree next year. How freaking great is that, man? So freaking cool. 3D sculpted foam-filled latex. That is just freaking awesome, man. With a little milky eye in there. That is just so freaking cool, man. Again, go support Victor, Scream 31 Studios. He will also be below listed in the links. I always try and buy local, man. Help a small artist out. Spread the word. Give him some love. It's not all about the big boys all the time. Okay, we got brother Vic here, Monster Misfits. I know Vic had sent me a bunch of crap. He's doing all kinds of stuff lately, and I'd asked for a little specialty product if he could whip it up. If you guys know, Vic's doing permanent monster blood. He's got stage blood. He's got pumpkin guts. He's got all kinds of stuff that he's been working on for the last couple of years, and he's just really pounding it out now. So let us see what he did. Okay, so again, man, look how nice he packaged everything. How freaking cool is that? Just in case it spills in the box, because you know USPS be kicking the shit out of everything. So I believe these are his pumpkin guts. Oh no, this is the green pumpkin guts. Okay, so little special request here, because I've got a little certain pumpkin I want to do in mind. Let's crack this bad boy open and not try and spill it on my face. Come on, cobwebs. Oh, I ain't got the strength to crack this open. Jesus Christ, Nick. Did you glue this son of a bitch shut? Oh, got it, I got it. Woo! Okay. Oh, look at that. Holy hell, I can't wait to play with that. And I got just the project in mind for that. And it's got seeds in it. How freaking cool is that? And also it's blacklight. Alright. Then what else did Brother Vic say? Let me... Alright, make sure that guy ain't gonna leak on us. Oh, he's got his Monster Misfits X sticker, so thank you, Brother Vic. Got a sticker for the wall. I always hoard stickers, man. One of these days I'm going to put them all up on a whole big cabinet or something like that. So, okay, we're done. All right, let's see what else we got here. Again, love that Vic went ahead and taped everything up, man. Put it in a bag just in case. So if you want to order from Vic, again, I'll put his website below. You guys only have to look him up. Just look in the links and you'll find the stuff. So this is Vic's famous blood. Here's his blood. This is his clear ghost gel for flexible masks or something you want to do like latex and you want a shiny coat. I've heard it shines real good. I've seen it. So far I like it. And this one is a special grime just for me. So this is sort of like a greasy gray kind of wax I want to put on skulls and stuff that don't necessarily have like a catacomb finish, but more of a dirty, grimy finish. So I asked Vic if he could make some custom gray for me, and man, he whipped it right up, man. So check it out. So if you want something custom from Vic, don't be afraid to ask him. Email him. He's all over Facebook and everywhere else. Again, I'll have his website linked below if you want to grab some for yourself. And that is Brother Vic at Monster Misfits. Also, hey, he's like one third of the trio of terror. We've got Brother Vic and Brother Dave. All right, let's do Delamorte. This is an Etsy shop I order from. I think every year I just about put an order in. I love this guy's shop, Michael Lacasio. Again, I'll link it below. He does the most awesome Christmas ornaments, statues, little stuff like that. Beautiful, creepy stuff, all well sculpted. None of it come out of cheap, crappy Chinese molds. Oops, I'm gonna need that. Just love all the stuff he has in his shop, and it's hard not to buy all of it. So be real careful here. Man, they always package stuff so nice, man. So I wanted to get some more ornaments for my black tree. And again, another big theme this year for me. Oh, this is so cool. Look at this little guy. A little chupacabra ornament. How cool is a little chupacabra, man? So he'll be going on the black tree next year. Love this little guy. When I saw him, I'm like, oh, I gotta have that because this year I worked on my chupacabra skull. And I think I got, what, 1, 2, 3, 4 things? 5 things? I don't know. Hopefully I don't break it on camera. Oh, wow. This is actually better than I thought it was. All right, check this out, man. So I got me the little mermaid ornament for the black tree. How cool is she in the bronze finish? I mean, look at the detail on that, man. Just 360, that's freaking awesome, man. Some kind of hard plastic or hard resin. Just freaking cool, man. Like I said, I love his ornaments and stuff. You'll look them up, find them down below. I'm sure you will find at least 40 things you want for your own tree. But man, I love Delamorte Co, man. Just freaking awesome stuff, man. They just, beautiful stuff. It's hard not to get like the whole damn website. Looks like another green one here. What could this little guy be? Did I buy 2 green ornaments this year? It'll stand up nice against the black tree. Oh, I got another mermaid. Okay, so check her out. 2 mermaids for the tree this year. Look at this little one. How cool is she, man? Just super great detail, man. Made of resin. They come with the hanger already. They are ready to go on your tree. So that's just freaking awesome, man. And then I think lastly, did I get one more thing from Delamorte? Alright, good. Now this I thought for a bookshelf, or probably for my little table. Was this one or the other one? I was going back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. Like, I know I gotta have one, I just don't know which one. And again, man, they wrap everything. Oh, look, here we go. And again, a thank you card, Delort Deco. And I'll put their link below for their Etsy shop so you guys can shop for yourselves, man. Oh, man, this is actually bigger than I thought it was. Alright. Check out this Nosferatu, man. Look how freaking crazy cool that is, man. He is just gnarly as hell looking. What a sculpt, man. He's got some weight on him. He's a little top heavy, he looks, but he's got a nice wide base. Man, he's sharp, man. I love vampire stuff. I love Nosferatu. Was it like 1925-ish, I think, when Nosferatu came out? So I'm always looking to add Nosferatu pieces. So that is freaking awesome, man. In fact, I'm going to keep him right back here on the table. He's awesome. That's freaking rad, man. Man, he's freaking cool. They got the greatest stuff, man. I swear to God. Need my knife. Yeah! Alright. Okay, folks. Evil Jays, fellow Hoosiers from down south in Indiana, south side. Awesome mask maker. Jim's a great dude, man. High high quality, low volume stuff. He doesn't crack out a ton of stuff. You're not going to get something off the shelf. You can customize anything you want. Awesome guy. All you got to do is hit him up. I'll also link his website down below. Jim's an awesome mask maker. Goes to Transworld everywhere. So if you want something, you can order it from him. If you're going to Transworld and pick it up. Jim's at Transworld every year. And I don't have any Evil J's Creepy Closet stuff. He's down in Evansville. So I thought, man, when I saw this, I'm like, man, I knew I had to help out. I wanted to grab one of these. And I think it'd be awesome for the wall in here somewhere. This is actually my first Evil J's piece, so always happy to help out a fellow Hoosier. And again, look, Jim Pack's great. Can't beat that. Alright, there we go. Ooh, it's a little heavy. Okay. Alright, you have to be too careful with it because it is latex. But man, wrapped and wrapped. Love it, Jim. Thank you, sir. Much appreciated. Oh, and here it comes. Oh, man, that's freaking awesome. Oh, man, check it out, guys. The zombie titty. Check it out. Ain't that freaking cool, man? Now you guys are thinking like, Kyle Viz, what are you doing ordering a latex titty? One of his family members had breast cancer, so he wanted to help out, so he sculpted and made this to help all the proceeds go to her, to help pay for her hospital bills and traveling and stuff like that. So what an awesome freaking cause, man. Love it. And you got a little barbell in there. Freaking super cool, man. And this is my first Evil J's piece, man, so I love it. I'm going to hang it on the wall somewhere in here and put my zombie titty up so everybody can see it when they come in. So again, if you need you one, hit up Jim down below. He'll take care of you. Evil J's Creepy Closet from Evansville, Indiana. That's freaking cool, man. Love it, Jim. Love it, love it, love it. And it helps a good cause. Alright, guys. We're down to my last one. Last but not least. Cheers, Titty. This big boy is from C.T.H. Productions. So young Connor, man, he's a hella mask maker. Just turned 19, so happy birthday, Connor. I saw he was doing a classic vintage Krampus, and I love Krampus. I gotta say Krampus. Otherwise, Steve will give me shit from Nightmare Makers because I'm saying it wrong. Because we all say it wrong. So when I saw this, I hit him up. Said Connor, can you get me a Krampus of yours and put him on a backboard for me so I can hang him on the wall? Because I really don't have any room for masks anymore. I'm kind of out of freaking space, man. I gotta find room for that titty. So he was like, no problem, bro. I got you, man. And he cracked it out fast. And it showed up yesterday, I think. So, and actually, the box is intact. USPS. No, this is FedEx this time. I think this is probably the first FedEx box I didn't get that wasn't had the shit kicked out of it totally. So, man, can't beat that. Ooh, I hear the rattles. Oh, that's awesome. All right, let's see what this young guy did, man. And again, look for him in the future, man. I think Connor's gonna do big things. He's just cranking out sculpts and masks. He's just a freaking go-getter, man. He's a little animal, just tearing up stuff. Constantly making new sculpts and everything. Alright, awesome packing, Connor. Awesome, love it, love it. So freaking cool, man. Ooh, I see the bills. That's awesome. This is freaking too cool, man. Oh, look at that. Here we go. And again, I'll link him below, guys. CTH Productions. I will show you his Facebook page. So if you see something you like, hit him up, check out Connor's work, and grab something for yourself, man. So check it out. Oh man, that is freaking cool. Get rid of this box. Check that out, man. Connor, that's freaking awesome, dude. That is way freaking cool, man. And his bells down? The bells go on top? I think they go over his head. Okay. I'll do like this. Man, check that out. Huge Krampus wall hanger. That's freaking awesome, man. That's his own sculpt that he made. How cool is that? You gotta find a place for that for Krampus and for the holidays. Man, he's even got the little bells. Look at that. That's freaking awesome, man. We dangle out his beard. Check him out, man. That's freaking awesome, man. I love it, dude. Look at that craziness. That's a Krampus right there, boy. Woo! Man, so freaking cool. So these are kind of what I picked out for Christmas this year. And again, guys, links for everything will be below. If you want, go down, show these shops some love, order some stuff for yourself or for your family members for Christmas or for haunt season. And man, just what a freaking haul, man. I couldn't wait. This stuff, finally got a place to put all this stuff and hang it because I got about zero damn room left. All right, folks, I appreciate you for watching. Hopefully get some new videos soon. Got a lot going on. So videos have been kind of lackadaisical lately, but I'm working on it. So thank you, everybody. Thank you, Delamorte Deco and Evil J and Vic and Scream Studios and Donna and Vic and, of course, Connor, man. Dude, you just freaking kill it with this. I just love this, man. So cool. Such a classic Krampus. So if you guys get a chance, go check out my brothers in a trio of terror. I am just 1/3. There is Vic over at Monster Misfits and Dave at the Weird Kid Show. Dave's kind of on a sabbatical. He's got a lot going on since the hurricane, but give him time. He'll get back on his feet and start doing some videos eventually. But man, this is freaking just all the freaking chain. I love it, Connor. That's awesome, kiddo. You just crushed it, man. So thank you guys so much for watching and hanging out with me and putting up with my antics. And Merry Christmas to everybody, man. Let's have a good year, a better year than last year. 22 was not a great year, but here's to 23 for sure. So Merry Christmas, everybody, and I will see you soon, man. Thanks so much for watching. Until I see you again, keep it evil, as always. Ooh, look at that, Mr. Gnome. How about some FaceTime? Yeah! Ooh, yeah. Oh, yeah.